The motorsaw na scrap now. This one even worse past my own now.
So you no go collect them?
No, I don't collect this kind of thing.
Babe, why now?
No, I don't need old motor. So either you give me money.
Because I love you, I
no, I don't need this one. This one are old motor. So
now my money now they after for.
Yes, because you get money. Your papa na commissioner.
So you dey put say because your papa na ex-commissioner and I make you want shop at dry.
The money still there now.
The money not there again now. The money not finished. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Pali Talker, aka Gabriel, the voice note guy. This is a different story. This kind of prank, and I have never seen it in my life before. I have never experienced it. I am wondering how come somebody comes up with this kind of issue. What's the name, fine girl?
Anna.
Anna. Like Anna Bana?
Anna.
Only Anna?
Yes.
You're not the finest girl in Africa. Okay, it's fine. I know you will laugh. You're just laughing and be smiling. So Anna sent me a message on WhatsApp saying that she wants to prank the love of her life. The man that is telling her that he wants to marry her. The man that is telling the boy that is telling her that he wants to spend the rest of his life with her. But she has been doubting him. Why are you doubting his love for you?
Just because I do business.
Okay.
Many men, they don't do me. They don't because say that I do business now.
Okay.
They say I get money.
You get small thing.
I get small thing. I get small thing for hand.
But you get small thing.
I get small thing. I dey try.
Okay.
So this one now, as I see saying they do wood business, I see saying go fit support me, I go support them. So na that level like that. So the way I can't love and reach, I see say the motorsaw when they use they worry. I'm now make I buy this motorsaw can't give.
Okay, wait. I want to get this point clear. You stay in the village.
Yes.
Yeah, you are dating a boy in the village.
Yes.
So now you want us to go to your village.
Yes.
And present this motorsaw.
Yes.
To your bobo for village.
Yes.
Telling him that you are giving him this as a gift.
Yes.
Because you want to see if he will take it.
Yes.
In the do wood business.
Yes.
So naturally he go need motorsaw.
Yes.
Ha. You know, so you not saying that way is a prank am with money or dollars.
Money can. Many men don't do man. No one carry money play with man again.
So you want to know if this guy really loves you, right?
Yes.
That's how you're coming up with this idea.
Yes.
Hello guys, I don't know if I should embark on this prank or not, because this will be actually the first time I am taking such an important and a very controversial topic as a prank. Rain is even falling, but we'll try and make sure that after the rain falls and it's done, we are going to finish this prank. We are going to find out the truth and nothing but the truth. So you guys just relax, wash out while we take this prank to your boyfriend, in the village. Let's go like 45 minutes from here to down our village.
Yes.
No wala, more just hustle, carry this prank, go meet her for when they carry this sewing machine. I mean a motor saw, meet her for when they find out whether he really love you. I be na carry play, won't carry you play. You know what will happen? Let's go. You sure that I ain't this stay?
I ain't this stay.
Because I know somebody they stay here before.
Nah, yeah,
I don't come this in a village, can't do video before. The best don't pack come out. Now in the stay now.
And I mean rent the house giver, making this thing.
Now you rent the house giver. Mad. Well, we should go see guests like this for our life. Okay, so the idea be say you won't give him this motorsaw as prank. Whether you go accept him abi, you go know whether he really love you or not. Your business when they do not in love. You don't call him abi. He's saying they come. Some more just relax. Some more just try, just sit down. But wait, you just not here in this thing.
I in this thing.
I don't come here before.
I in this thing.
I don't come here before. Come do something before.
I in this thing. Go see and I mean come.
Well, this prank work. I don't know. I don't call this in a village before. Now I tell you say. Anyways, no fine, no wala. More just sit down and wait for you. But you must saw. Get us a bit sharp. No shaking. More they wait. Sit down now.
Oh, babe, good evening.
Yeah, how far are you?
Fine, how you doing? I don't sit down here. Don't they wait for you now?
I've been go deep by now. As you call me, say make I come now. I come.
Welcome.
Thank you. How that side?
Fine.
How your business?
Fine.
Your daddy won't come. Wait till you carry come. I had the bread.
Bread.
Good afternoon, bros. Sorry, my name is Gabriel. Okay, I dey sell all these motorsaw parts them. So your woman come to me say you dey do motorsaw business, abi?
Yes.
And your motorsaw don't get fault.
Yeah.
say you need new motor saw, but say she not to get money, so she won't give you motor saw as gift. Maybe they do your business. So see the motor saw. I don't know whether you will like her.
Fine. As I say, no get another one.
See, they just can show you love as you know get.
This motorsaw na old motorsaw na.
No, na old one na boy. Still they work. They jam.
I dey suffer from one old man motorsaw na another old one. I think say na new one she buy come. You will get money for you to buy me new motorsaw. For you to give me money, make I buy car, flex my life. Or they carry girlfriend, they follow you, they go buy this kind of nonsense motorsaw. Say make I still carry rubbish.
Calm down now.
You know good now. See motorsaw we don't die finish. See all this place don't break finish. She they go buy, give me say I be a love, say now this motorsaw man carry go bush. One when I get the disturbing, this game scrap now she don't carry come again.
Oga, wait. Man, I get this point clear. You know like the motorsaw.
The motorsaw na scrap now. This one even worse past my own now.
So you no go collect them?
No, I don't collect this kind of thing.
Babe, why now?
No, I don't need old motor. So either you give me money.
Because I love you, I
no, I don't need this one. This one are old motor. So
now my money now they after for.
Yes, because you get money. Your papa na commissioner for you to
papa na commissioner now you
give me better appointment. And I don't feel give me better appointment. This can't scrap motor.
Wait. I won't make this thing clear. Wait. Now they make this thing. They get this thing wrong. If a man, if as she did so, a papa na former commissioner. Now the man not to get money again like before. So she na a business where she they do.
Yes.
That's still they survive. So you they put say because her papa na ex-commissioner and make you want shop her dry.
The money still there now.
The money not there again now. The money not finished.
So make her give him money, make you go flex with another woman.
So wait, okay. Without fear, no favor. So why you really deal with her? Now because of the money which she won't give.
Yes, because of her papa position with her money when she get.
So that is now you don't want the motorsaw again?
No, I don't need this motorsaw. Now scrap motorsaw.
So now deceive you, they deceive me.
Yes, I don't love you now because of the money where you get. Now
I say make her do this one, make man see say whether you like me or not. I say I don't fall for my trap.
No verse.
Yeah, you know
wait, Oga. You know say this way they do not make sense at all. Man, no lie for you. How you go talk say you no love this kind of fine girl?
If she love me, she for not bring this crab motor.
Oga, see, man, no lie to you. Look down that place there. Don't see him. Don't see what he did there, so.
Yes, sir.
That camera did there. You know what it mean? It means a prank with the shoot. And for prank, it means say we don't catch you. Say you don't really love this girl. She get good plans for you, but you don't get good plans for her.
So your girlfriend, your wife send you to go bush. Not a good plan, no. Okay, get money where they do business.
So why you they put her inside her money now? Why you they put her inside her money? You don't even work.
I won't marry her. She don't agree.
You won't marry
her? She form for me. She get money. She dey go buy old motorsaw. Say my love carry and go
business, not
see motorsaw. This motorsaw, if your girlfriend buy, can't give you, go appreciate her.
Okay, if you see, I know they do motorsaw business for appreciate them.
Okay, that means you know they the business. I mean they the business.
Okay, as you know, why you not just accept some small?
I'm not gonna accept this.
It means say you now you will go open your yansh for public. Say and because you don't buy motorsaw, means say you need to do again. Say she be. Say now I'm money now you follow.
Now the money I need the money.
Now the money now give you money we can go fuck those girls.
Madam, you see man we no love you. You know they know by they say they by their foot shall know that you need to see him fruit.
I don't know. Many men don't do me well. Now I say make her do this one. I make her call you. I say make her do this one. You know how fall for my trap. Now so na men them day. Now so na day. Let see my money go fuck those nonsense girls.
Oga. I fit advise you. Okay, sorry. My advice you. The best way you go do now, apologize to this girl.
With this crap.
You see the argument and scrap?
Yes, so this one is scrap. Because if I carry this motorsaw go push one day, this motorsaw go break down. And I go spend this small money when I don't get to repair this motorsaw.
So wait, your own problem I be say the motorsaw is scrap and you just need her to give you, make a papa give ex-commissioner like 4 years ago.
Money still there.
Money still there. Now you know in pockets. Because you carry him
bring 1 million naira come.
I'm going to give you 1 million naira. Make it carry go fuck those business. If you not carry your
motorsaw, come up for my domot.
I don't need you.
Bros, I bet no verse. I don't need this motorsaw.
I know they carry motorsaw. No come win me.
Oh yeah, come up for my domot. Before I go for domot. Come on.
Wait. I'll come up for your domot. Wait.
As you tell like this.
You, madam, no they insult her. No they insult her, man.
I don't need your motorsaw. Thank you. Carry your strap. Come up for my
domot.
Thank you. Next time, when you want to do, when you plan to prank your boyfriend, see when I they watch them, if now prank na boy, when they carry any topic on give me. I I go leave my house. You know how many hours I drive come reach here? Over 3 hours I drive come reach here now. See, you say you know they accept motorsaw. If you know
motorsaw now. If na new carton tear for appreciate am. This one when somebody don't kukuma kill and finish. Where they no feel work.
When you collect, you know man no lie for you. I know the same motorsaw, no me get motorsaw. Now she said she won't prank you. Okay. You understand me? So now she said she won't prank you because I got your where I open everybody hands, everybody your rest. You say you won't prank. Where you go carry motorsaw come from? Now person motorsaw person don't use before. But they work abi need they work. If they work abi.
You know they work.
You know they work. So you know they even they work at all.
Yes, love no dey. So she like me, she go buy motorsaw, we scrap, we know they even work.
I want to test your love. Whether you love me, now I make her test you.
I don't love you.
You don't love me.
Yeah, I don't love you.
Yeah, go your home, make my come my
home. Yeah, leave my domot. Carry your motorsaw, leave my domot. Carry your motorsaw. Sir, I beg. If you don't carry this man,
wait, madam, pass like this. Oga, I be fellow man like you, eh?
Yes.
But man, I tell you the truth. They say if you see truth, talk am. If you see light, talk am. This motorsaw, eh? At least, even if you don't like him and you really like this girl before, you appreciate him. First, say, baby, I like him. Then later on, enter inside house. When probably don't mingle more finish, you go roll her head, they weave one of her head, they tell her what's in your mind. And if you want a woman, you go tell her out of love. Nobody say you go to ginger and say, Miss Kaya Motorsaw, get her seen because of her money, you love her. Anyways, you don't see whether she in love because of your money. I don't know how much she even gets every day, tossing her money. No shaking. No, you don't look me bad eye. How much you get money past Dangote. No wala. More carry this motorsaw, they go. Carry your
motorsaw, leave my domot.
I go.
As you go, no near my domot.
Me, I go.
Even
inside the select.
Except you come with 1 million naira. No come near my domot. If you near my domot, I go shoot you. If you near my domot, I go shoot you.
Where you go get this man come from?
You, for your mind. Nothing you fit do.
I'm ready to cook.